The BMW 5 Series has long been one of the most significant and popular models. With a history of nearly 50 years and millions sold, the 5 Series has enjoyed great success. The new generation will be based on the CLAR platform. Following the Bavarian automaker's power of choice strategy, will be offered in gasoline, diesel, plug-in hybrid, and fully electric variants, with the latter expected to adopt the i5 moniker. Welcome to NoorCars channel. For those of you sedan fans who are waiting for the release of this car, now we will give you a little leak information about 2024 BMW 5 Series. 2024 BMW 5 Series engine. The engine range will feature the latest versions of the current 4- and 6-cylinder units with lightweight hybrid technology to improve efficiency. The plug-in hybrid variant will combine a turbocharged 3.0-liter 6-cylinder engine with 1 or 2 electric motors, producing up to 500 horsepower. Finally, the first fully blown electric-powered M car set to replace the M5 will reportedly use a plug-in hybrid that combines a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 with an electric motor, allowing output close to 750 horsepower and acceleration figures that rival supercars. The full electric BMW i5 will be distinguished by other variants of different grilles, blue accents on intakes, aerodynamic wheel design, and exhaust pipe removal. Basic specs are more likely to be RWD with a single electric motor on the rear axle that produces about 300 horsepower and a 70 kWh battery pack borrowed from the iX SUV. The more powerful xDrive 50 can have 2 electric motors that produce more than 500 horsepower, combined with a larger 100 kWh battery that offers a WLTP range of 373 miles. There have also been reports of the i5 rivaling the M with power up to 800 horsepower. The Touring 5 Series will likely follow a 4-door sedan that offers more cargo space and extra practicality. 2024 BMW 5 Series exterior. His body was more sculpted than current models while maintaining the firmness of the famously disappearing Hofmeister from the 4 Series. There are aggressive headlights on the front and a slightly larger kidney grille. At the rear, with a more coupe-style roofline and thinner taillights likely connected by LED strips. 2024 BMW 5 Series interior. The 2024 BMW 5 Series interior will undoubtedly be packed with the latest technology. The new 5 Series is expected to be equipped with a curved display on the iX that combines a 12.3 inches digital instrument cluster with a 14.9 inches infotainment system. It will run the new BMW operating system 8 with advanced connectivity features and the latest ADAS offering semi-autonomous driving capabilities. The 3-bar design and flat shape are BMW's classic aesthetic. But this steering wheel seems to have piano black touch-sensitive buttons. In the center console, this 5 Series prototype appears to have the same gear-shifting core and rotary iDrive controller as the BMW iX, albeit without open porous wood and a crystal-like finish. The next generation 2024 BMW 5 Series will debut around 2024. Thank you for watching this video.